these are the handlebars I'm replacing. They're just too low, it's really not comfortable to ride. They are at the centre, on the end, 83 centimetres from the ground. Just take them off. Here I made a bit of a mistake. As you can see, I'm climb cutting in one direction on one pass, but I've taken quite heavy cuts because it's a bit easier to crank the rotary table when you're climbing. And I took too heavy a cut, the work dug in, and what's actually happened, the part hasn't spun in the arbor that I've made, but the arbor has spun in the jaws. Fortunately, because I went in with the cutter downwards first, there's a bit of a sort of hollow that the cutter goes into and stops climbing, so I can reset. So these are what I'm going to be using for the handlebars. They're a set of SL100 bars that I've cut up. What the plan is, I'm going to try and run a hole saw down sort of parallel to this line halfway through, so it's a nice fit on these parts that I've just made, so that I can weld them up nicely, and hopefully I won't have to make a jig or anything to line them up. Well, I'm a complete idiot. I've cut both these notches on the same side of the handlebars, which means that I've got two left-hand clip-ons. They're a nice fit and everything. They've come out really well, but I'm going to have to find another set of handlebars and make another one. Okay, so I've just cut up another set of classic Honda handlebars. What a stupid mistake. Didn't even think about it. Oh well. So I've notched these to weld on. I've also made these little inserts to go in the bar ends here, and then I'm going to put a pin through them and then just weld the pin in place. They're just to attach some bar end mirrors. I don't like how they normally attach with the expanding bit in here. Here they are, all painted. I used like an engine block paint and then baked it in the oven. It's really tough. It's quite good stuff. I might do that more often. Well, I'm very happy with how they've turned out. It's a lot more comfortable compared to how it used to be. I've still got a few things I need to do. The throttle's binding up a little bit for some reason, so I need to sort out the cables and reattach the top yoke properly, the clutch lever and whatnot. But yeah, it's very comfortable. Much better than it was. You see how high up they are compared to the old ones. "90cm to the centre, so I think the other ones, they say they're 83, so that's 7cm longer, which is, or 7cm higher, which is nice. Yeah, very happy. You can see how they look from the side and stuff. Yeah, not too bad. Something I have noticed while I was doing this, when I lifted the front of the bike up, this piece of missing chrome came up out of the fork, so I need to replace the stanchion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the opportunity to change the front setup to a twin disc, different fork bottoms, different calipers and stuff, and that will probably be coming up in a video in a couple of months or so.